What's up, guys? It's Meaty Mike. My name is Mike and I love meat. Get your smokers fired up because today we are smoking a Daggertooth Pike Conger Eel. Let's do it. Well, I gotta be honest with you, I did not wake up one morning and say to myself, you know what I want to smoke today? Daggertooth Eel. But if I see something with the word Daggertooth in the name, the first thing that I think is, let's eat it. So, here we are. Daggertooth Pike Eel. Certainly smells fishy like eel. I just have a few cuts, all in different sizes, but that's okay. If you're going out for sushi or to a Japanese restaurant, Pike Conger Eel is probably not the eel that you will see on the menu. That's usually Unagi eel or a freshwater eel. These are Hamo eels. They're just two different species of eels. Eel 101. Now you learned something today about eels. So I did brine these Daggertooth eels overnight. Simple mixture, water, salt, brown sugar. Took them out today, rinsed them under cool water, patted them dry. What I want to do with these eels is essentially do my best to cut them flat, to lay them out. And I'm just going to do the best I can to, again, essentially cut down here. There's some bones in the middle that I want to go around and lay it as flat as possible without destroying my fillets. So let's just go right to it. Get your chef knife. There are a lot of bones. Be careful going around those bones. Flip it over. Go around the other side. Hear those bones crack because we're going right around them. Ooh, you know, not too shabby. Dang, bro. Then I'm gonna cut this big bone. Don't cut yourself now. I will gladly take that, put that to the side. You don't need it. Then we're gonna try to do our other smaller pieces. It's gonna be a little bit more tricky. Make a couple cuts. Go right around. Get that little guy out of there as well. Again, nice and easy. And then we got our third. This was just a little feller. Just like that. Woo! Let's chore them bones. They don't want to come out. That's alright. We'll get you. Not too shabby for cutting up some eels. So now from here, very, very simple. What I'm going to do, again, we already brined this eel. We're just going to get a plastic freezer bag. Pour in about half a cup of white wine. And we're just going to put our eel in the bag. Let them marinate a little bit. Very, very simple. We're going to put this in the fridge for about an hour. And that's about it. There are some other traditional ways to make eel. But hey, I'm just doing my own thing here. I'm just letting that white wine absorb a little bit. Help add some more moisture on top of that brine that we already added. And that's pretty much all we're doing to prepare the eel. But while we're here, we're going to go put this in the fridge. Now we're just going to add what we're going to glaze this eel with. And I'm just doing half soy sauce. Just filling up a bowl. I'm just eyeballing it. I'm going to say about half a cup of soy sauce. And then I have some sriracha chili sauce. And I'm just going to give a few good squirts. I'm going to say about 2 tablespoons of sriracha chili sauce. And I'm going to mix this up because this is what we're going to glaze our eel with throughout the cook. So in the meantime, we'll just put this in the fridge. We'll wait till our eel's done marinating. Then we'll go pop it in the smoker. Alright, so our Daggertooth eel has been sitting in the fridge for about an hour in that white wine. We took it out, patted it dry with some paper towels. Let's go pop it right in the smoker. Alright y'all, we're out here at the Masterbuilt. We got it rolling at 185 degrees. I'm using some strawberry guava wood chips to get a good fruity and light smoke flavor to this eel. We're only looking to cook this eel for about 2 hours. If you're looking for an internal temp, take it to about 155 degrees, but I'm going by time and 2 hours should do the trick. We're gonna take that soy sauce and sriracha mixture that we made earlier and brush the eel every half hour. This is gonna give a great flavor to the eel and also help prevent it from drying out. That's all there is to it. A pretty simple process. So in 2 hours, we'll pull it and eat. And with that, our Daggertooth Pike Conger Eel is complete. We brined our eel in a simple mixture of water, salt, and brown sugar, put it in a white wine marinade for about an hour, smoked it at about 2.5 hours. That was the final cook time for this eel. We got some good color with that soy sauce and sriracha mixture that we put on there every half hour, and now we're just gonna eat our eel. And I'm just pulling it right off with the fork. Nice and juicy and good meat. Watch out for the bones in there, because there are definitely some bones in the eel, but take a good taste. Man, I love eel. I love unagi eel. And this Daggertooth Pike Conger, very similar. They're very mild in flavor. So that's why we added that white wine and put that soy for some good salt and that sriracha for some good spicy. But the meat, it didn't dry it out, and that's the most important thing with any kind of fish or any kind of seafood. Great. Oh man, I mean, good smoky flavor, a light smoke from that strawberry guava. Oh yeah, peel that right off. Suck it right off the bones in there. No, meat. So tender, so moist, so delicious. Let me tell you, if you can get your hands on a Daggertooth Pike Conger Eel, go look them up. There's some scary looking mofos, but they taste delicious. Get yourself a Daggertooth Pike Conger, hit it with some white wine, hit it with some soy sauce, some sriracha, throw it in your smoker with some good smoke. You'll have some delicious, juicy, tender, smoky meat. You're gonna love it. Stay tuned for the next video.